A study released today finds that Kansas has not met the legal requirements to improve foster care instability. Local advocacy groups are pushing for the state to take action soon. Sophia Gernander spoke to those groups today and joins us from the newsroom with that information. Sophia.
Rachel, 4 years ago, the state settled a lawsuit with Kansas Appleseed in which they promised to meet certain outcomes for foster children. But Kansas Appleseed says the state has not met those requirements. The federal class action lawsuit accused Kansas of widespread placement instability for foster care. This ended with Kansas pledging to make significant reforms, including better access to mental health care and ending night-to-night placements, which often left children sleeping in offices. But Kansas Appleseed says the state has not met these promises. For example, they say 90% of foster children were supposed to have access to mental health care, but that number is instead at 60%. They say a House bill that's proposed for the upcoming session may improve the situation. The bill aims at providing a better way to provide support to children without taking them away from their parents due to financial instability by modifying the definition of neglect.
It would instigate a sort of culture shift around how we think about foster care as an intervention. Families are still in need. We're not removing kids anymore because we shouldn't be. But now what? And I think the now what is we can create systems of support.
Kansas Appleseed says both parties are trying to prevent the lawsuit from going back into mediation.